The top 13 excavators to consider in 2023. In 2023, the construction industry continues to evolve, and excavators play a crucial role in various projects. Whether you're a construction professional or a business owner looking to invest in heavy machinery, here are the top 13 excavators to consider for your needs. Before we begin, we should explain what an excavator is and how they work, shall we? Excavators are heavy construction machines used for digging, lifting, trenching, demolition, loading, and moving earth and materials on construction sites, mining operations, and various other projects. They are essential pieces of equipment in construction and excavation industry due to their versatility and power. Excavators consist of several main components, including a chassis or undercarriage, a hydraulic arm with a bucket or attachment at the end, and a rotating cabin where the operator sits. The hydraulic system powers the movement and operation of the arm and bucket. Excavators come in various sizes and types, from compact mini excavators suitable for small tasks to large, heavy-duty excavators designed for major earth-moving projects. They can also be categorized based on their undercarriage, such as crawler excavators and wheeled excavators. Excavators are typically powered by diesel engines, providing the necessary power to operate the hydraulic system. The operator inside the cabin controls the machine movement using joysticks and pedals, allowing for precise digging and maneuvering. When operating these heavy-duty machines, safety is paramount at all times. Operators receive training to ensure safe use, and excavators are equipped with various safety features, include rollover protection system, also known as ropes, and falling object protection system, also known as FOPs, in the cabin. For the state-of-the-art excavation equipment to operate, regular maintenance is essential to keep excavators in optimal conditions. These include checking and maintaining hydraulic systems, wheels, engines, and other components. In recent years, there has been a focus on making excavators more environmentally friendly. Some models are equipped with engines to meet stringent emission standards, and there is growing interest in electric excavators to reduce emissions further. Many modern excavators come with telematics systems that allows remote monitoring of the machine's performance and maintenance needs. This technology can improve efficiency and reduce downtime. Excavators are essential tools in the construction and excavation industries, enabling efficient and precise earth moving and material handling. The choice of the excavator depends on the specific needs of a project, considering factors like size, attachments, and terrain conditions. Excavators vary in price on their size, brand, and features. Larger and more advanced models tend to be more expensive. Coming up at number 1, we have the Caterpillar 320 GC. Known for its durability, high performance, and advanced technology for efficiency and fuel savings. This machine is very comfortable and has a lot of safety features in place of any accidents. Number 2, we have the Komatsu PC210LC11. Known for its strong hydraulic power for efficient digging, spacious and comfortable cab design, and intelligent control system for precision work. At number 3, we have the Hitachi ZX350LC6. This machine has impressive digging force and lifting capacity. It is reliable and low in maintenance. It has an eco-friendly engine technology for the environment. Number 4, we have the Volvo EC220E, which is very fuel efficient and environmentally friendly, with a comfortable cabin with excellent visibility. It is also capable of having different versatile attachments for various tasks. At number 5 is the Bobcat E85, a compact yet powerful excavator that is ideal for tight job sites. This machine is quick and easy maintenance. Number 6, we have the JCB 220X. It has innovative system like auto stop with excellent fuel efficiency and advanced telematics for monitoring. Number 7, we have the John Deere 350G LC, which is high in productivity and fuel efficiency. It is comfortable, durable, and reliable for construction. Number 8 is the Hyundai HX235 LCR. This particular machine has strong performance and digging force with reduced emission and fuel consumption. The interior in this machine is very spacious with advanced technology. At number 9, we have the Doosan DX225 LC5, known to be very powerful and reliable with low operational costs. It is also comfortable and has an ergonomic cab design. Number 10 is the Kobleco SK260 LC10. It has excellent fuel efficiency and power with enhanced operator comfort. It's packed with telematics for maintenance tracking. Number 11 is the Libor R926 Compact. By the name of this machine, it's a compact and versatile excavator that is suitable for urban construction. This compact machine has innovative technology for efficiency. At number 12 is the Case CX210D. This masterpiece has impressive hydraulic power with comfortable and quiet cab, packed with advanced control and precision work. Lastly, at number 13 is the Sany SY215C. This machine is cost-effective and reliable, with spacious cabin with good visibility, also loaded with advanced hydraulic systems. These top 13 excavators offers a range of options to suit your construction needs in 2023. Be sure to consult with experts and consider your specific project's requirements before making your investment. Thank you all for watching. If you have learned something here today, Make sure to subscribe so that you won't miss out on future videos. Leave a like and share. See you in the next one.